Today, we're gonna take this alternator and put it right there, and we're gonna put it right there. First thing you do is grab your alternator and this big ass wire that you weren't supposed to take out, but you did anyway because it's got like little fucking clips on there, but you didn't know that because they were under the tape, so you fucking took it all the way the fuck out, and then you figured that out, but so you gotta put that back in too. And then the other step is, you gotta make sure you have a bunch of shit on the fucking top of the car where you gotta work. Cut some shit, strip some wires. Make sure you grab your wire condoms. These things are very important to stop electrical shock. Then you're gonna look at yourself and fucking vape for a while and be like, why the fuck did I not clean up all that shit from last time? Because now, then you stare at these wires again for a minute and be like, oh fuck, I hope I know what I'm doing. Fuck. See those wires we cut yesterday when we took off the old alternator? We didn't take a picture, so we have no fucking clue. Another motherfucking success. We got that wire all the way back over here, and it popped out over here where it plugs in. Fuck yeah! Then you're gonna sit here, you're just gonna stare at this thing for a motherfucking second, because you got it all wired up, right? Yeah. There it is. Yeah. Well, we don't know if it's right yet. We haven't plugged this motherfucker in. One step closer. Just gotta put this bolt in there and figure out how to get this fucking belt on there, and fuck. Then you stare at this belt and shit that you took off and be like, fuck, how the fuck did I do that? My mama told me I could do anything. All I need to do is try. And I'm trying, and I'm doing it. And it's in. Bolts are in, all sealed up there. We just gotta go over here and plug all that bitch in and try to start the fucking car. Yes. All right, here we go. No power. Oh yeah, gotta plug in the battery. We gotta put the battery positive or the battery cable on. Yeah, no battery light.